Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your analytics with Google Analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your analytics with Google Analytics, begin by creating or signing into your Google Analytics account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin section located in the lower left corner of the dashboard. In the admin section, you will see three columns: Account, Property. Select the account you want to upgrade from the Account column. Next, in the Property column, click on the drop-down menu to select the property you want to enhance. After selecting your property, look for the Upgrade to GA4 option. Click on this option to start the upgrade process. You'll be guided through a series of steps outlining what GA4 offers. Review the features and benefits presented, which include improved tracking and enhanced reporting capabilities. Once you've familiarized yourself with the new features, click the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to set up the data stream for your upgraded property. Choose the platform type you are tracking, such as web, iOS app, or Android app. For a website, select the web option and enter your website URL and stream name. Click on the Create Stream button to proceed. After creating your data stream, follow the instructions provided to implement the GA4 tracking tag on your website. This often involves adding the global site tag to the head. You can find detailed guide links in your Google Analytics dashboard if you are unfamiliar with this process. Once installed, return to your GA4 property to confirm that data is being collected correctly. Monitor the real-time reports to ensure the upgrade was successful. Explore the new features within GA4, including enhanced audience insights and event tracking. Customize your reports according to your business needs by navigating to the Reports section. Regularly check for updates and new tools that Google Analytics introduces to optimize your analytics strategy. Utilize the Insights feature to gain automatic insights based on your data trends. Conclude the process by setting up any additional configurations or goals as needed. With these steps, you can successfully upgrade your analytics to Google Analytics 4 and take full advantage of its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.